Good morning. Next examples. Solve x into dy by dx that equal to y into log of y minus of log x plus 1. So basically it is not in the form of homogeneous differential equation. Should convert homogeneous differential equation, dy by dx coefficient should be 1, but it is x is there, so I dividing x on both sides. So dy by dx that equal to y into log of y minus of log x plus 1 whole divided by dx. Now it is exactly in the form of homogeneous differential equation. So according to this, put y is equal to zx. Because of y is dependent variable, so substitute another variable. So y is equal to zx. I want to dy by dx, so that's why I differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to z plus x into dz by dx. So putting y and dy by dx value in equation 1, we get so z plus x into dz by dx. So that equal to zx into log of zx minus of log of x plus 1 whole divided by dx. Now x get cancelled. So z plus x into dz by dx that equal to z into, it is log m into n formula, log m plus log n, log plus log x minus log x get cancelled. After applying the formula we get only plus 1. So z plus x into dz by dx that equal to z log of z plus z. So z get cancelled, right? Simplify this. X into dz by dx, so that equal to z log of z only. This is function f of z, this is function f of x. Now separating the variables, we get, so in this so 1 divided by z into log of z, so into derivative dz, so 1 by x into dx. Clear? So I can balance in 1 by z, I can write 1 by z whole divided by log of z. So into dz that equal to 1 divided by x into dx. So after separating variables, integrating on both sides, now it is exactly in the form of f dash of x divided by f of x. If you put log of z is equal to t, differentiate it, we get it is this 1 by z. Differentiation of log x in 1 by x. So that's why this is log of log x in terms of log of z, log of z that equal to log of x plus log of c. Why put log c? Because of both LHS and RHS log is there, so I can choose constant log c. So log of log z that equal to log of xc. Remove the log, so log of z that equal to log x plus log c log m into n, right? So what is z? Z is 323. So y is equal to zx, therefore z is equal to y by x. Clear? So replace z value, so it is in terms of y by x. Then apply log m divided by n, log m minus log n. So what do we get? Log of m minus log n that equal to log of x plus log c, right? So it is log z. Log of 1, log x is equal to minus log x means minus of log of x square, so that equal to log of c, right? So it is log m minus log n, log of m by n, y by x square that equal to log of c. So remove the log, again y by x square is equal to c. This is the answer. Clear? The log z replace z value in terms of y by x, log m minus log of m divided by n or 2 log m minus log n agutte, log x minus of 2 log x agutte, 2 man very it log m raised to n formula, simplify we get it is this, right?